Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing the availability, quality, and sustainability of groundwater resources in a particular area. In Noida Sector 50, which is known for its rapid urbanization and increasing population, the need for groundwater surveyors becomes even more important. These professionals are responsible for conducting thorough surveys to determine the quantity and quality of groundwater in the area, and provide valuable insights for effective water resource management. One of the key aspects of groundwater surveying in Noida Sector 50 is the design of Scon, short for Screened Observation Well, systems. Scon design involves selecting appropriate locations for observation wells and installing them in a way that allows for accurate measurement of groundwater levels and quality. The design should take into consideration factors such as the geology of the area, the presence of other water sources, and the potential for contamination. The Scon design in Noida Sector 50 should also consider the local hydrogeological conditions. This includes understanding the nature of the aquifers in the area, their recharge rates, and their vulnerability to pollution. Groundwater surveyors need to carefully analyze these factors to ensure that the Scon design is effective in monitoring and managing groundwater resources. Additionally, the Scon design should comply with relevant regulations and guidelines set by local authorities. This ensures that the observation wells are installed and maintained in accordance with best practices, minimizing potential risks to groundwater quality and ensuring accurate data collection. It is important for groundwater surveyors in Noida Sector 50 to stay updated with any changes in regulations and adapt their Scon designs accordingly. An area's groundwater resources availability, quality, and sustainability are all evaluated by groundwater surveyors. The requirement for groundwater surveyors becomes even more critical in Noida Sector 50, which is recognized for its rapid urbanization and expanding population. These experts are in charge of carrying out exhaustive surveys to assess the location's groundwater's amount and quality and to offer crucial information for efficient water resource management. The design of Scon, short for Screened Observation Well, systems is one of the most important elements of groundwater surveying in Noida Sector 50. Scon design entails deciding where to put observation wells and how to install them so that groundwater levels and quality may be precisely measured. The design ought to take into account elements like the local geology, the existence of other water sources, and the possibility of contamination. The regional hydrogeological conditions should be taken into account when designing the Scon in Noida Sector 50. This entails being aware of the local aquifers' characteristics, rates of recharge, and susceptibility to pollution. In order to make sure that the Scon design is efficient at monitoring and managing groundwater resources, groundwater surveyors must carefully analyze these elements. Additionally, the Scon design must adhere to all pertinent laws and standards established by regional authorities. By limiting potential hazards to groundwater quality and ensuring